o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go to the post office. I got up probably like around, 6 to put my son on the school bus and then logged in for my full-time job. And now I'm going to drop some orders off at the post office. I don't know, I got something else to do today, but I wrote it down. I forgot my journal was in my bag. So once I get to the post office, I'm gonna look that over and see what else I had to do today. I know I need to go get some shirts or some hoodies to send out my Blazin beauty. Well, send it out to my Blazin beauties. Everyone that purchased anything from my Etsy store. So that's gonna be coming soon. Blazin beauty. I love my hoodie. I'm thinking t-shirts because hoodies are a little pricey. I'll have some merch on my Etsy shop soon, so that's in the process. Because everybody, like literally, I went to a little party or whatever, and everybody was asking me for a hoodie. So I'm about to start putting that merch up. But my Blazin beauties will get a shirt that says Blazin beauty. Just a thank you for your support. So be looking out. Look, it's so foggy out. You cannot see nothing. I don't even know if I can turn right here, and I cannot. Alright, so today is still Monday. Right now I am on my way to, well, we at Popeyes now, about to give my son something to eat. My brother's doing a documentary today. So I have my hair wrapped, and I have on his clothing line. My son is back there. So once I get there, I will unwrap my hair. But right now, I am getting my son something to eat so we can go and do this documentary for my brother. And like I said, I am wearing his clothing brand, Misfit.
Alone. When it's 4 words of my vacation, let's get it on. Yeah, guess I'm a diamond in the rough. Mama told me it'd be hard, and I know my kids depending on me. I heard some things that was said, but lies in their head. That's why it's important to tell my story. Yeah.
You know, but I always had in the back of my mind, like, man, I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna be somebody. I ain't know what the fuck it was yet, but I knew it was gonna be something, you know? I mean, I was a popular dude, like, even in school,